Auntie Danny.
Okay.
And that's a big present.
Now you can open the card. Henry, how are you doing this morning?
Look.
What's on there?
A kitty in a bowl. A cup, I mean. That's silly. I love you so, dear Auntie Danny. You know how much I like sending presents to you. This much. So I'll bring another present soon on Friday. Wow! She's putting it on Friday.
Oh my goodness.
She's putting another one.
Okay, hold on one second.